Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to Nagaland Foodie yet, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Then select all option so that you don't miss out notification on our new videos. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make crispy dragonfly larvae or baby dragonfly. So this is the baby dragonfly that I bought from supermarket Dimapur, and it cost 150 bucks. So here it is. Firstly, we will be washing it very thoroughly for at least 6 to 7 times with cold water, and after that we will be washing it with warm water again. Female dragonflies can lay hundreds of eggs during their adult life, that is in or near water, and they live underwater for months and sometimes for years before emerging as an adult. I'm soaking with warm water now, so let's keep this aside for a minute, and after that we'll start with the process. I have already drained off the warm water, and I have also washed it twice again with cold water. So now let's transfer it into the cooking pot, and after that I'm going to boil it. I'm not going to use any water to boil this, but I'm going to use two ingredients. That is, I'm going to use some bamboo shoot juice and some salt to taste. So now let's add some bamboo shoot juice. And next is some salt to taste. Now let's mix the ingredients by stirring it. Okay, so now let's turn on the flame and start boiling the larvae. Make sure that you don't stir it until it comes to boil, because bamboo shoot juice has a strong smell. I've been cooking for about 15 minutes, so let's stir it once. So after boiling for about 25 minutes, bamboo shoot juice has dried up, and even the larvae, it looks crispy. So now we will turn off the flame and let's keep it aside. Next, I'm going to stir fry the larvae. So let's heat the pan and add some mustard oil, and let's heat it. While we heat the mustard oil, let's roughly pound some garlic and ginger. Now let's stir fry the larvae. I'm not using onion because I want it to be crispy. Next, let's add the roughly pounded garlic and ginger. And after that, let's give it a good stir. And finally, let's add the last ingredient, that is some chili powder. I'm using homemade chili powder. So after adding the chili powder, you don't need to fry it for long, because if the chili powder gets burned, it won't taste good. So you just need to stir it once, and after that you can turn off the flame. And here it is, our crispy dragonfly larvae. I'm going to enjoy this with steamed rice. So here it is. This is the dragonfly larvae that we just fried. It looks so crispy. And there I have some boiled curry that is cooked with tender pumpkin, dry fish, tomato and green chili. And here I have some greens that is pennywort leaf. In Lotha we call it sianoroko. So I hope you enjoy our today's video. Till then, keep watching Nagaland Foodie.